When communicating in English, it is common to have difficulty understanding some words. In these cases, you need to remain calm and explain to the person that you didn't understand what they said. Here are some helpful phrases to use in such situations. 1. Ask the person to repeat what they said. For example, "Sorry, I don't understand. Could you please repeat that?" 2. Ask the person to speak more slowly. For example, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you please speak more slowly?" 3. Request the person to speak louder. For example, "Excuse me, could you please speak louder? I can't hear you very well." 4. Ask about the meaning of a word. For example, "I'm sorry, what does appointment mean?" 5. Express that you don't understand the person's accent. For example, "I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding your accent. Could you please repeat that more slowly?" Using these phrases can help you better understand and communicate more effectively in English. I hope these tips have been useful for you. See you in the next video.